HVG50 General Operation, High Voltage Pulsed DC Stimulator. The patient leads should always be checked for proper connection and damage or deterioration prior to treatment. Loose connections or damaged cables can cause low stimulation output, no stimulation output, or sudden irregular increases in output, resulting in possible discomfort to the patient. The treatment site and electrodes should be cleaned and properly prepared prior to application of electrical stimulation to the patient. Thoroughly moisten the treatment site and electrode surface prior to every treatment. In order to operate the high-volt pulsed DC stimulator modality, you must first connect the power cord to the AC receptacle on the back of the unit and insert the power cord plug into a properly grounded AC receptacle. Depress the HVG50 internal power high-voltage stimulator switch to the on-down position. Connect the patient treatment stop switch to the treatment stop jack and reduce the intensity control to the zero reset position. The HVG50 high-voltage pulsed DC stimulator is equipped with an intensity reset circuit feature. This feature prevents the practitioner from applying one patient's intensity setting to another patient. Set the combination mode off switch in the down-off position, the balance control to normal, the high-voltage pulsed DC stimulator surge duration control to continuous, and the frequency control to the desired frequency. HVG50 high-voltage stimulator intensity level should always be set while the device is in the continuous mode. This will prevent unexpected surges of intensity during the initial patient setup in surge or reciprocal modes. Set the mode switches to the desired output modes. The reciprocal surge switch can be set to reciprocal or surge mode. The positive-negative switch can be set to positive or negative polarity for the dispersive pad output jack. The polarity setting may be changed any time during treatment. The pad probe switch can be set to pad or probe mode. Prepare the probe or pad electrodes and dispersive pad electrode and apply them to the patient. Electrical stimulation travels between the probe and dispersive pad or pad electrodes and dispersive pad. The pad electrodes may be held in place by means of retention straps or weight bags. Hand the patient treatment stop switch to the patient and explain its function. Turn the power timer knob and set it to the desired treatment time. Depress the internal power high-voltage stimulator switch to the on-down position. The high-voltage stimulator on indicator light, located above the upper left corner of the high-voltage pulsed DC stimulator meter, will illuminate. The output rate A and B indicator lights or the probe on indicator light will illuminate. Slowly increase the intensity control to the desired output level. If the high-voltage stimulator reset intensity indicator light is illuminated, no output will be obtained until the intensity control is returned to the zero reset position. If the pad probe switch is set at pad mode, the balance control may be adjusted to the desired intensity levels for active pads A and B output jacks. If desired, select an alternate surge duration, 2.5, 5, or 10 seconds. The output rate A and B indicator lights or the probe on indicator light will reflect the output rate selected. When treatment is completed, the AC power will shut off and a bell will sound. To initiate early shutoff, turn the power timer knob counterclockwise to the off position. The AC power will shut off and a bell will sound. Reduce the intensity control to the zero reset position. Thoroughly clean the pad electrode or electrodes with warm water and dispose of the used cloth cover or covers. To continue or extend a patient's treatment time after the treatment is completed and the bell has sounded, return the intensity control to the zero reset position, set the surge duration control to continuous, and turn the power timer knob and set it to the desired treatment time. HVG50 General Operation, Combination Therapy. Depress the HVG50 internal power ultrasound switch, the internal power high voltage stimulator switch, and the combination mode high voltage stimulator ultrasound switch to their on-down positions, and properly connect a dispersive pad to the HVG50 to enable high voltage pulsed DC stimulation and ultrasound combination therapy.